We have a 12-pack Shopkins. I don't know if you could see, but there's some yellow pack bag Shopkins inside here. And then here are the 10 other Shopkins. So let's start opening. Okay, this is tape. There, we got that tape off, and now we're gonna put this all the way down. So now let's start getting the Shopkins out. Some Shopkins already started to fall out, but we still have some more. We'll open these last. And we got this little birdhouse, green little birdhouse. And then we got an ice cream sundae, then a wrench, and then some fruit and vegetables. I see blueberries. I don't know, and I see raspberries, and then more blueberries, and then cut up lemons, and I don't know, that orange stuff. So I'll put that one inside here, and now let's start opening these. We got the shoe, and I don't know what this is. And I do not know what this is. And I do not know what this is. And I know this is iron. And then these are hard to get out, especially Boo-Hoo Onion. So we got Boo-Hoo Onion out. She's inside the pink. And now we'll get these bags out. So we got the bags out. And now I'll start opening these. Wow. There's this little plastic. So let's start opening these. We got another Boo-Hoo Onion inside that purple. We'll put that inside there. And let's see the next one. Oh, we got another one of I don't know. And then those are the two other ones. And then we got this little shopping list. It's hard to get out. There. So I'll let you guys look at this shopping list. It's long. And those are all the Shopkins, but there's more. And I really want to get this one because it's like fuzzy. we'll put this down here, and this, and this, and this, and this down here. We'll dump out our Shopkins. And then I'll put this down here too. So let's start putting our Shopkins inside the cart. Wait, can I see something? Oh, I thought these were the same. They're not. We have to put blue onion together. And maybe red. And then we'll put the shoe. And then we'll put ice cream sundae. Oh, her face is actually here. We'll put these two together. Oh, these are hard. So we got them inside the same bag, and the bag is kind of crooked, but that's okay. So bye guys, see me for my next video. Have a great day.